Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the King PT YouTube channel. So we recently upgraded, as you can see, but yeah. So today's video, guys, I'm challenging my two niggas over here, Lebza, and then we have TK. Fit. I wanna see how they is. I wanna see if they are good or not. And Perry, we're gonna hit the streets of Bloemfontein. And yeah, come with us, guys. Let's go. Unjan, are you good? What's your name? Like one nigga, you just your first name.
Happiness.
Happiness. What do you think of my friend? Come closer, bruh. Why not see some of Kenji? Guys, come this side for better lighting, lips. Round the range. Round the range. Round the range. Round the range for better. When you told you when you were found in the act. Okay, it's just content, guys. What do you think of my friend?
It seems cool.
Come on. One rater maybe out of 10. Goes ngapha. Come this side. Alright, I'm gonna out of 10. You get the matches. We are serious here.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Where's the other one?
Where's the other one?
Problem.
Ah, what's this screw and I want to hear.
Okay, what if I change from?
What's this screw?
10 out of 10.
Would you wait.
To be normal.
Man, usho ukuthi simtholile uthi lo sisi lo screw asikho normal. Guys, uthi screw asikho normal. Uthini bhuti wena? Yo, do you have an answer? Wena umrate ngaphi sondela la? Come closer. Angangipost, we are just doing this angisho. So
Friends.
Can we are friends? When utholakele wena, this affair here, the affair na ngoyifaka Facebook na WhatsApp na go everywhere.
Mina i-type yami yabo. Abantu abagcoka like normal like amagcoki ama-baggy what.
So, but screw is not a normal person, uthini? Yo, what's your response to this girl?
Oh, my response. I'm speechless.
When what do you like? Sunday analysis out of 10, what do you mean? Just be yourself. What do you rate it out of 10?
I give 100 out of 10.
Ah, see. Kaplasha. Muhle ne?
Yeah.
What's
Yabo.
so sorry what you tell na screw njani?
No, I guess so.
The cameraman now
Yes, sir. Yeah, bro.
Hey, Baba.
You're on camera.
Hey, Baba. Okay, so in closing, since you are closing this content, since you value the content, what are your final thoughts for you? Ungajola naye, umuntu lo ubona ngathi ungaba naye.
Yeah.
Guys, the tension is real here. Here at 46, blah blah blah. The tension is hey. Let me post on it. Yeah. Come on, let's tell you. Thank you for this.
Not really, bro.
Huh?
Not at night.
That's nice.
Not at night.
Baba.
Not at night.
That's the drama. But that's what the fire is. We saw it in Major League.
What the fuck?
Hello. You good? Not bad though. But
It's about five.
yeah, not bad though. Not bad.
What the
Bad at
fuck is
all.
going on, bro? Look at that hut. What? Are they running after her or something? What's going on?
I don't know, bro. I feel like she's being chased by some.
Oh shit! That's some cocky shit.
Niggas afraid to express their opinions.
Now we ain't afraid.
You ain't afraid, bro. Those people are crazy, bro.
But it looks like we try it.
Yeah,
Yeah, it takes time.
Yeah, it
needs
takes
you to
time.
get used to.
But it's fine, the delete button works too.
Yeah.
It's loud.
Ouch.
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 Yeah.
Ouch.
Go. Yo, hello, it's mommy.
Why I put this bag, my
You good?
God.
Look, can I just have a word with you? Huh? I won't be long. Can I come?
Nah, leave him, bro.
Slowly but surely, Tuan. Ish, maraylo bon, nilyo po eh. I guess that prayer was had already.
So,
Stop
okay.
me.
Let's go to KFC. Let's start with KFC coming down.
I went.
We'll come down and check what's going on. Yeah, there are sanctions on us, bro. Did you see that? Did you see that, bro? Yeah, no, bro, it's not a problem. I'm just saying. What's up? Shit, bro, I did those. Oh, damn, bro. That's a little terrible. What?
No.
No, that's, what? 3, dog.
Three of them, bro.
Bro, 3, bro.
Bro, I was right to their play. From that angle, feed.
Bro, we can start up there. Look there, bro. Look there. Bro, we can start up there, bro. We'll come
Okay,
down
it's
with
fine.
it.
We could, yeah.
Oh,
Anyhow, it's fine.
I feel like I bitch for that, but like I think we should start up there.
So I think I must be close to not to me.
It's not zooming.
Yeah, but you guys are not
Yo,
scared.
that hand has a body of my ex, bro.
But you all are not afraid of that.
When I thought that was my ex.
We're not afraid of the assassin, bro. We're good.
Actually,
Good.
yeah, we
Like, you're
could.
not afraid of, like,
Ah, there are nice hands in KFC no more today. I
not bad.
Fat bitches live love too, man.
what? Not for me, bro. Not for me.
Yeah, here's the
No,
truth.
the word first. The word first.
So now,
Organja.
eh,
You don't know that the word first is offensive.
the word fat. So which term should I use? Basically.
You should use body kinetic.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna go on my second channel. You know,
That should be second time.
I don't feel like it's first channel material.
Ah, we
Do you
can
think,
do
Papa, do you think it should go on the first channel? We
Things are just getting started, bro.
Yeah.
Things are getting started, bro.
Guys, we are live. Guys, we are
These
live.
baddies are like porn stars.
Yo, these babies are like porn stars, bruh. Oh, sorry for that word.
But it's a word.
Yeah. Like the way they are, bro, they look so bad in a way that you could like envision how they would give you a BJ, bro. Like shit.
That's why.
Like
That's why.
when you envision that, bro, it's crazy.
You know the internet is
Shit,
forever.
bro.
So what you just said,
Yeah.
it will never be removed. Our two troops, 2 5. We are Jordan 99. Yeah, we are live on the